Hi, this is Merlin. Today's video features realistic oil portraits of my kids. My kids would make a fantastic painting, so I did choose a photo that's going to be tricky to capture all of the tones and tricky to create a 3D image. Unlike adults, kids have more softer features. Adults have features that are more pronounced and angled. My focus is not to ruin the soft features of the kids. I'll walk you through the process. I created a rough sketch, prepped my canvas with 2 layers of gesso. The extra layer of gesso reduces the paint's absorbent rate, makes the canvas even more smoother. And the proportions weren't right at the beginning. I had to redo and correct the angles a little bit here and there for my daughter. This happens when the dimensions on the sketch isn't proportioned well. Make sure that doesn't happen to you. My palette has ivory black, burnt sienna, yellow ochre, titanium white, cadmium red, cobalt blue, and burnt umber. I'm using 2 brushes of every size. One will be the main applicator and second is dry brush to blend the tones together. Starting with blocking in colors, focusing on the dark tones, then to the mid values and to the lighter tones. I'm going to leave the background pretty loose at the moment. Variation is important while painting water droplets to make it look more natural. My apologies as the lighting in the video keeps changing quite often, as I was working during the day and sometimes during the night. I'm using a finer brush to mark in the details. Finer details on the eyes, skin, hair, and water droplets will bring the painting to life. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching. Create more and have fun.